Hi, I'm Chris Palmer. Welcome to Chris's Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to put a new plug on your tool or extension cord. The first thing you want to do is just cut the old plug off your cord. Next, you want to strip back some of the primary insulation to expose the 3 wires inside that cord. Just do a light slice. Try not to damage the wires inside too much. Peel that back a little bit. And then we're going to strip the insulation off of these guys, and that's what attaches. Here's a couple different styles of plugs you can buy. Really similar. This one, I just had to pry the tabs loose, and this comes apart. Here's my housing. Here's the part that actually connects to my wires. Put your housing on first. You're going to want that on there. Just slide it back out of the way. Loosen up your clamp so you can move it easily. And once it's all connected, that just comes up and reattaches. Next, strip the wires. Expose about 3/8 to a 1/2 inch of exposed wire that you're going to attach to your new receptacle. That's your white, that's your neutral. Black is your hot, and green is ground. You don't have to twist the wires, just make sure there's no stray strands sticking out. Keep it nice and neat. Now I loosen up the screw terminals on my plug. Go ahead and attach black to gold, white to silver, green to ground. After my 3 wires are all connected, I reassemble the housing. This particular one is just a flexible piece that snaps together. There's your new plug all ready for service. I'm Chris Palmer. Thanks for joining me. That's how you put a new plug on your extension cord or your power tool.